Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing your save and position. Save and stand near a known chest cluster so you can reload quickly. Once done, enable any map filters or markers to spot chests faster and clear nearby NPCs or Pokémon that block movement. You now approach the first chest spawn point and open a chest. If it yields Gimmighoul coins or an odd chest sound, stick with that zone. Make sure to reload only when necessary to preserve spawns and avoid random overwrites. You continue by tracking the chest pattern. Observe which direction chests appear and approximate the interval between spawns. Once you've identified a pattern, use a mount or fast travel points to cycle through adjacent areas, which forces the chest entity to roam. Open multiple chests in quick succession, about 5 to 10, so the game promotes a roaming gimmighoul instead of local static chests. Keep your camera and sound on to catch unique noises. They confirm the roaming entity is active and nearby. You finish by baiting the roam. Once chest sounds or markers appear, approach cautiously and move slowly to trigger the encounter without despawning the target. If Gimmighoul fails to appear after cycling, reload your save and repeat the chest opening sequence, or wait 10 to 15 minutes of in-game time to reset spawn timers. Make sure not to close the game or change characters mid-process, because that can break the roaming behavior. If things still fail, reposition to a different chest cluster and repeat the method.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.